We are back in Rockbridge, Ohio, here at one of the newest box tops, the Roca, that sits in between these giant rock faces, just wedged in this little chasm. It really is something special and unique. Walking up to this box top, it feels like you're walking into a cave. The actual shape of the container home is something unlike we've ever seen before. And a couple of my favorite touches are the exterior wood. It's cut really funky and it has this very unique feel. And then on the roofs of the containers, they have a bunch of moss. And so they've really tied the natural feel together of this home.
My favorite parts of the exterior are the color. I love pink, so the rose gold is beautiful. Plus the circular windows and a rounded front door just makes it feel so whimsical. You can tell that the owners took their creativity to a whole new level and just let out every idea they've had, and it comes together so well on the shipping container. Amenities that they have outside are a little fire pit area next to this massive rock wall that has some string lights, and then the path leads off to the right of the container and sneaks just past it, opening up onto a deck that has a hot tub, seating area, and grill.
And the view from the deck is beautiful. We're back in this little canyon, and it's private, it's quiet. It really is the perfect place for a getaway.
And now for the best part, we'll show you the inside.
Real quick, if you are a host of a unique or amazing Airbnb that you want us to feature, you can go to journeymore.com and fill out the contact form. Please be sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and comment down below your favorite part of this container home. Walking into this container home, it just feels so much more spacious than what you would think for two 40-foot containers and a 20-foot container. They also have an addition that connects the three containers, and it really maximizes the space. Right when you walk in that round antique door, you come into this foyer area with a laundry room off to your left. And then behind me is the dining area with a round dining table and then some giant windows that just have the view of those rocks. And there's actually this chasm that leads up into a cave. And so again, it's just making you feel like you're just in the rocks.
My favorite piece of the dining area is the chandelier. It is actually Emily's grandmother's, which is so fun because it gives this place a personal touch. I am in love with all of the unique finishes in here as well. They've got a lot of different wallpapers, tiles, colors, and they have woven them together perfectly to make this such a fun, whimsical stay. Speaking of wallpaper, there's a little half bath down here with this like mauve, pink, flowery wallpaper that has gold finishes inside. It is stunning, and I love that little space.
Off to my left is a galley kitchen. A neat touch is the cabinet right behind me is actually put over a window. So they've really worked in a lot of natural light as well, as there's a giant window that sits over the counter, and there's some floating shelves. They've got an oven and stove. There's also a dishwasher, which we absolutely love in Airbnbs.
Yes.
And then at the end of the counter is a Smeg refrigerator, which I just love the look of those. And it's a bright red that really adds that pop of color.
Across from the kitchen is this giant built-in bookshelf nook area. I love the circular nook that just invites you to curl up with a book and enjoy, and it overlooks the rocks behind it. And they filled out the shelves with a bunch of knickknacks and books, just making it feel so cozy. Continuing on is the living room with this beautiful gold couch, fun, funky pillows, more wallpaper, and hanging art and photos with a cute little pink chair. It's just such a fun spot to hang out in. And then they also have a TV that swivels out for some extra extra entertainment.
And then there's also windows that surround the living room, again, giving me that beautiful view of the canyon that we're in. Last thing down here is the spiral staircase that goes up in the tower. The walls are painted this dark emerald green, which is my favorite color. Absolutely love that. And at the top of the stairs, there's a ram's head that sits on the wall. It's just a super cool decoration. Now let's go check out the upstairs.
Real quick, question of the day is, what are your thoughts on wallpaper? So wallpaper was really big kind of before our time, but it's making a huge comeback and we're seeing wallpapers everywhere and a bunch of Airbnbs and designs. So what is your experience with that? Do you have some in your childhood home? Do you have some in your home now? Comment your answer below.
Upstairs, we've got 2 bedrooms and a full bath. This bedroom here has a gold theme, so there's lots of gold hardware. The bunk beds, the frame is a rose gold. The wall is painted kind of a yellow gold color. And then of course, the wallpaper has gold in it with the flowers. The bottom bunk is a queen bed, and then the top is a twin. And there is a skylight in here. And then windows that surround it, again, letting in that view of the rocks. It's just so cool. And then down the hall, there are 3 port windows. And then right across from that is the full bathroom.
I love the full bathroom because there are 3 different types of tile that are all stunning, and it feels very luxurious with all of its finishes. Continuing on, you've got the master bedroom with a king bed, which is so impressive for a shipping container. Yeah. We love the pink walls and the flower wallpaper and the finishes in there with the little chandelier in the corner. I love that room.
And then of course, it is surrounded in windows to let in that view of the canyon. And then it's got a skylight as well, which I just personally love a good skylight. If you want to book the Roca yourself, we will leave a link in the description below. We have actually filmed the Box Hop's first 3 container homes, the OG, the Huga, and the Boho. And then we're going to be staying in the Overlook and the Elwood, which are 2 of their newest ones, right after this one. So be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out those videos as well. They are all absolutely stunning. Seth and Emily are masterminds when it comes to creating unique shipping container home experiences. We are having pulled pork tonight. This is my dad's. This has been in the family for generations. His grandfather cooked pulled pork, and now he actually cooks for fundraisers. He can cook up to 600 pork butts at one time. It is impressive. Plus, it's my favorite, so I'm excited. That's gonna take a little while to heat up. While we are waiting, we're gonna play some cards.
Oh my gosh. I cannot believe you did that.
Have to keep this game going, baby.
Yeah.
You played? No way.
You live another round.
Live another round. Oh, and this actually helped as well.
I don't like this anymore.
No? Do you want me to say first or you?
I don't know. It's not good either way. Because I just know my demise.
I got 160. What'd you get?
125.
That's great.
But I didn't think it beat your tail like I wanted to.
This salted pork is particularly delicious. I am excited. If you got that movie reference, comment.
So before I came into this family, I think I did not know what good pulled pork was, because Hayden's dad's barbecue is so good that sometimes if you put the barbecue sauce on it, to me, it ruins it because it is perfection without it. And the flavors and the moisture, it is so good. I could eat it until I was sick.
Nikki is loving the round nook in the cabinet over here, and I am having some breakfast casserole thanks to Nikki's mom, Barb. Thank you so much. It is delicious. But this has truly been a fantastic stay here at the Roca. Again, if you want to book a stay yourself, we will leave a link in the description below. Be sure to use our discount code when booking, and don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel. We're gonna head over to the Overlook box hop and shoot that one next, so be sure to go check out that video as well.